What you trying to do? See? You shouldn't be messing with this bike. If Daddy wasn't over here, this bike would have been and fell on you, Julius. Where are you going? You getting your little graham cracker that you threw? You getting your other graham cracker that you threw? You about to have your little graham cracker? Or you just gonna throw it again? Okay. Just throw the graham crackers around and make a mess. Oh, whoa, whoa, well, let's eat and then, whoa, look at all that rain. Daddy didn't realize it started raining outside. You want to go look at the rain? Here. Daddy will pick you up. We can go look out the window. Make sure it's not coming inside. Look at the rain out there. Are your feet getting wet by the rain? See Dave out there mowing in the rain? What is he doing? Say, Dave, what are you doing out there mowing in the rain like a crazy guy? You're really looking at Dave too, like, why is he doing that? I know, Julius. Raining like cats and dogs, and the maintenance man's out there raining, or mowing. Yeah, he's raining in the mow.